Here is the finished PDF you'll get when we are done, clean, printable, and ready to share. If you want a fast, reliable way to turn any Excel sheet into a PDF, this video will show every single step. Hello guys, today I'll teach you exactly how to convert an Excel workbook into a PDF, including how to change the file name, select pages, and pick the right settings. This tutorial works for Microsoft Excel on Windows and Mac. If this helps you, please like the video and subscribe for more productivity tips. Here's the sample Excel sheet we'll convert. Use a table like this so you can follow along with the same layout. Step 1. Open your Excel workbook with the sheet you want to convert. Step 2. Click the sheet tab you want to export if you only need one sheet. Step 3. Check your layout first by going to the View menu and choosing Page Layout or Page Break Preview. This shows how the sheet will look when printed. Step 4. Adjust margins and orientation if needed by clicking Page Layout, then Margins and Orientation. Choose Portrait for tall pages or Landscape for wide tables. Step 5. If you want to fit columns on one page, use Page Layout Scale to fit and set width to one page. Step 6. When the sheet looks right, go to File. Step 7. Choose Save As. Step 8. In the Save As dialog, pick the folder where you want the PDF saved. Step 9. Important, in the Save As type or format drop-down, select PDF. Step 10. Before you click Save, click the Options button to open PDF options. As you can see, the PDF matches the Excel layout and is ready to print or email. Now, I will show you the alternative methods. Method 1. Go to File, click Export, select Create PDF XPS document, and then click Create PDF XPS. Method 2. Go to File, click Print, choose Microsoft Print to PDF or Save as PDF on Mac, then click Print, choose the file name, and select the location to save. Both methods let you pick pages and change quality and are useful if the Save As option doesn't show correctly. Quick troubleshooting and tips. If your table is cut off, go back to Page Layout and reduce scaling or change orientation. If fonts change, try embedding fonts in Excel or check Bitmap text in the PDF options. If you need only part of the sheet, select the cells, then File Save As options selection to export only the selected area. If the PDF is too large, choose minimum size or reduce image resolution before exporting. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more Excel and productivity tutorials. Comment below if you want a tutorial on converting multiple Excel files to PDFs at once. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.